These two homemade fertilizers work wonders for petunias. Thanks to them, the flowers will grow lush and full, turning your surfinia into the true queen of the balcony. The ingredients are usually already at home, and the preparation is quick and simple. First, prepare used coffee grounds, which are rich in nitrogen and minerals that support leaf growth and abundant blooming. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds into a glass and pour boiled water over them. Leave the mixture until it cools completely. Next, prepare a larger container and a strainer lined with cloth or gauze. Slowly pour the mixture through the strainer to separate the liquid from the coffee grounds. Pour the finished liquid into a bottle and dilute it with a little more water. This homemade fertilizer works perfectly for watering petunias and supports healthy growth and intense blooming. Next, prepare a banana, which is a natural source of potassium and phosphorus that helps strengthen the roots and promote heavy flowering. Peel the banana and cut it into smaller pieces. Place the pieces into a jar and pour water over them. Close the jar tightly and leave the mixture for 24 hours so the nutrients can infuse into the water. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a clean jar or bottle. This way, you'll have 2 homemade fertilizers that are perfect for caring for petunias. Water the plants once a day, preferably in the morning or evening. Make a pink elixir for your plants. They'll be bushier than ever. Start by preparing a tall glass container. The key ingredient for this fertilizer is potassium permanganate, a substance with strong antiseptic and oxidizing properties. Add a small amount to the container, then pour in water and mix well. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is a natural pH regulator that helps plants absorb nutrients. In another container, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This amazing ingredient helps neutralize excessive soil acidity and improve soil structure. Squeeze half the lemon into the container with the baking soda. Now, take the pink potassium permanganate solution and pour most of it into the container with the baking soda and lemon to achieve the right concentration. Then strain the fertilizer through a sieve to prevent lemon seeds from getting into the solution. Your pink elixir is ready. Use it once every 3 or 4 weeks, watering the plants at the base. With this natural fertilizer, your plants will become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases. Try this method and see the spectacular results. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc. All the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. Just 1 teaspoon of this spice is enough for orchids to burst into bloom. This trick is used by orchid growers. Thanks to it, their flowers bloom all year long. Yellow leaves and wilted stems can be a sign of dangerous fungi. It turns out that garlic is a secret ingredient that works perfectly as fertilizer for orchids. It contains many minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which act like a protective umbrella against insects and mites. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them through a press. Then pour 1 liter of water over it and leave it overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into the pot. After 30 minutes, pour out the excess fertilizer. Garlic water can also be poured into a spray bottle and used to mist the leaves. The smell of garlic and its antifungal properties protect the plant from diseases and pests. For busy people, there is also a simple recipe using granulated garlic. Just add 1 teaspoon of the spice to 1 liter of water. Then mix the solution and water the plants with it. And that is it. Garlic infusions are used not only for protection, but also help support growth and flowering. Garlic works as a nutrient source. It contains active substances and essential nutrients. It is enough to fertilize orchids with it at least once every 2 weeks for them to start blooming again. It is the only fertilizer I use for my orchids. They are literally bending under the weight of the flowers. A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast. Drop eggshells into a blender, and your plants will thank you. Add 3 or 4 eggshells to the blender. Crushed eggshells decompose slowly in the soil, enriching it with easily absorbable calcium, which supports the development of strong roots and healthy stems. Also, add 2 small spoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are a natural and affordable way to fertilize plants. They promote healthy growth by gradually releasing nutrients that plants can utilize over time. Next, add 2 small spoons of brown sugar to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria in the soil. The final ingredient is carrot peels, which provide organic matter that improves soil fertility by supplying minerals and vitamins that promote healthy plant growth. Blend all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a crumbly mixture. This fertilizer is ready. Spread the homemade fertilizer carefully around the roots, ensuring an even distribution of ingredients. Then, lightly mix it into the top layer of soil. Store any remaining fertilizer in an airtight container. This mix can be kept for several months. With this blend, your plants will benefit from a natural and balanced set of nutrients that enrich the soil and encourage healthier growth.